I'm just going to show you the power of Karbon's money management system. So this has just happened on Bitcoin. It just dropped almost 4%, and this is on the 1 minute chart. So in a matter of minutes, 4% has almost been wiped out of Bitcoin. And as you can see, in the last hour alone, almost 110 million has been liquidated from the market. But let's just take a look what happened to my trades within Karbon. In a previous video, I mentioned this. I started a separate sub-account with the hybrid system, testing it on 50x leverage and using different money management settings. I started with a $1,000 balance and it's now $1,218. Now, I've been in these trades since early this morning, and this almost 4% drop has just happened on Bitcoin. Normally what would happen is when you get that kind of drop in a matter of minutes is these trades would have lost and I'd have lost my money, I'd have been liquidated. But what happened is they seamlessly moved through the money management system. So Karbon's managed these trades within my own Bybit account and stopped them from being liquidated. So we'll go ahead and have a look at this. If we click on the trades tab, this will open up in a separate window and we'll just change that to 25. Okay, so as you can see, previous trades here, they've all closed in a profit, and you can see the stage here. So some of them was closed out as soon as they've opened, basically. Some of them have had to have been money managed, so they've closed in stage 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see here, these trades that were open this morning have now gone into stage 3 and 4 due to the drop. So what do I mean by being money managed? Well, as you can see here, the next stage, if this price was to go to 7.13 on dot, Karbon will send a signal over to Bybit and it'll change the leverage. Then as you can see here on BNB, if the price hits 266.94 cents, it'll change the leverage on this trade as well. So it'll go from stage 3 to stage 4 and match dot. So I'll show you exactly what the money management does on the basic Karbon auto trader, and this is what you can get hold of for $150. You'll just get the one account, whereas under Pro you can get 3 sub accounts as well as the Karbon auto trader. But this one just costs $150 and then $25 per month. And I am kind of running an offer on this. I'm giving away 100% of my commission, so you can actually get started on Karbon AI for less than $100. That's because there are commissions attached to every sale, and for the basic version, as I say, it costs $150 for you to join, but I'd get 50% of that, which is $75, and I'm giving that straight back to you. All you've got to do is once you're signed up, just get in touch with me and I'll send it straight to you. I've done it for several people now. So anyway, let's get into the money management system. If we just go over to the configure tab, this will load now. Then you've got your basic trade settings here. So I've changed this to 5%, as I think it's quite conservative, even though the default's set at 2%. And I do have max number of trades open as 5, when the default is actually 3. And we enter every trade at 10x leverage. As I say, I'm running a test on the hybrid at 50x with my own money management settings, and so far so good. So anyway, let's go into the advanced money management and I can show you what this can do. So the hybrid indicators are all automatic. They'll fire off inside your Karbon account automatically, and they'll send a signal over to Bybit and they'll open the trade on your Bybit account. Karbon doesn't have hold of your money at any stage. I can show you the trades I had in hybrid a second ago at the end of the video. But anyway, so let's say, for example, as you saw earlier, that dot trade has literally just fired off into my account. What will happen is when it'll open up at 10x leverage, and if it hits 10% profits, then obviously Karbon will just close the trade. It'll send a signal to Bybit to close the trade and take the profit. However, if the coin goes negative 80%, Karbon will send a signal over to Bybit and change the leverage to 5. And then this step is just repeated for 4 steps. So if it goes a further 80% negative, Karbon will tell Bybit to lower the leverage to 2.5% and take the profit percentage will remain at 10%. If it goes a further 80% negative, what Karbon will do then is it will send a signal over to Bybit to increase the size of your position, so you will double up on your trade size and the take profit will go to 5%. And then finally, if it's still going negative, another 80%, the leverage will be changed to 1.3x. And at this stage, you just want to get out of the trade, so the take profit percentage is reduced to 1%. I hope this video has cleared up how powerful the system is, as it can handle a severe drop in a matter of minutes. Well, in this case, it's dropped over $700, and it's kept me alive in the trades. But the last thing I want to show you is that Karbon doesn't actually hold any of your crypto or your money. So the last thing I wanted to show you was these trades that are in my Bybit account. So as you can see here, the bottom left of the dashboard on my 50x hybrid sub account, you can see that these trades are in Bybit. But just to confirm, you can see BNB is at leverage 15x and DOT is at 10x. So if we go over to Bybit, you'll be able to see these trades here. So as you can see, DOT's at 5x and BNB is at 15x. Okay, we need to refresh. And as you can see there, DOT's now 5x leverage. As I hope that's cleared up the money management and how powerful it is. But if you do have any questions or you want to get started with Karbon, then please don't hesitate to contact me. I'll help you out. But thanks very much for watching and have a good day.